sorry guys, this is really a clumsy video. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the cream. Just put a little bit of here. Yep, that should be good. And scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Don't worry, little one, it will heal in no time. Cuckoo caca. Now let's get more. Okay, got a lot. Oh no, this is feeling like a really clumsy video. Cuckoo caca. Okay, now the sisters. Here is the hurt. Well, here's the cream. You can see it, white. And scrub it, scrub it, scrub it, scrub. Cuckoo caca. Cuckoo caca. And the bruise on her foot. Okay, good to go. Let's put it back in the medical box. Put here and done. Oh, how cute is that? Well, good to go. Oh wow. Green parrot. Yes. Be quiet. Your babies are sleeping. Oh, great job to babysit them. I got my egg. Let me check on them. Okay, check. Okay, let's see if they're sleeping. Okay, I will put the egg right here. Okay, the egg is also sleeping. Now my turn to sleep with them and Father Parrot. Let's go. Well, see your birds. And bye-bye parents and other birds. And bye-bye the little cutie pies. Bye-bye little cutie pies. And wait. Let me say that again. Bye-bye birds and the parents. And bye-bye the little cutie pies. Well, that was a surprising moment. Let's go. They're sleeping. We will come and visit them once they are in the bird city back again. Well, looks like it's the time to end the video. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button and hit the bell icon like the birds explained you in the half. party. Okay, I'll call it a house party. Bye the bird parents and the parents. Bye birds and the parents and bye the little cutie pies. Now let's say it back again. Repeat. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe button and hit the bell icon when the birds explained you sometime before. You saw na? So just follow the birds and do that. Bye guys. See you in another video titled The Birds Visiting My House. Bye guys.